Hi all, I'm probably not the first one who is opening DJI Mini 3 Pro, but I'm the only ones that are doing it with screwdriver. Okay, so let's do it and see what is inside this box. Some papers, and then we have the box itself. How do I open it? Let's find out. There is a sticker here. Now it is open. So as you probably seen before, you have the Mavic. And then you have its remote control. This is the smart version with an LCD. And then you have spare propellers and a charging cable. So there is a set of 4 propellers to each side with a screwdriver and some papers inside, not very interesting, and the charger. And let's see if this came pre-charged or not. So probably the remote, I guess, is pre-charged with about 50%. Let's see. Yes, we have 2 lights. Maybe I will improve the focus. Okay, so you can see that 2 lights are on, which means it is about 50% charged. The Mavic itself usually is not charged. Okay, we have here the gimbal protector. This is just a plastic. And then we have some stickers here, and there is a sponge or something to catch the camera, and more stickers on each side of the camera. And then we have the Mavic itself. Let's see what about the battery. The battery, in order to take off the battery, you need to open the propellers, and then you just press on the sides of the battery and it should go out. I'm just curious about the charging. So it is totally discharged. Maybe they have some patent to protect the battery for the first charge, so maybe just when applying the first charge it will wake up, but I will check it later. And this is all. So we have the Mavic itself with the light battery. The light battery is 249 gram with the battery. This is not the extend version. There is an extend version of a higher capacity battery, which add about 10 minutes to the flight. So you have more than 31 or 34 minutes, I don't remember. And the extended one is about 45 minutes. Of course, this is the nominal value. If you will test it, it will be less than declared, I guess. And how do you put it back? Let's see how simple it is. Never simple, these things. This side is there is, you have to catch the camera itself somehow. Never understand why they do it so complicated to put it back. The gimbal Aha, there is some work to be done in order to understand how to close it back, but I think it was something like this. Maybe on the wrong side. No, it was like this, I'm sure. Aha. Not very intuitive, let's say, how to put it back. There has to be some way to put it back. Of course, I don't want to use any force. Trying to do it in a gentle way. So it's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. Aha. Okay, do you see? So the camera is basically facing to the front in order to close it, and this is the way to put it. It's not very easy to do it, but let's see after I know how it goes. Okay, so you have to see the marking number of the focus on the left side, and then you go, there is some plastics that catch the camera inside, and if you're on the correct way, so it's easy, but you have to practice first time in order to understand how to close it. So thank you all, thank you, and bye bye. We'll test it and then we'll see how this Mavic works.